are from TB5 New. We are on live to discuss about the supply and the demands of the parking lot in School of Civil Engineering, Faculty of Engineering in University Technology Malaysia, Johor Bahru. As a driver, we need to park every day. When a driver steals a parking lot from other driver, a heat of discussion broke out in the parking lot. Experts agree that when it comes to the on-campus parking, there is no such thing as one-size-fits-all approach. The problem may not be the same, and the solution may be different.
Most of the staff in School of Engineering complains about the parking facilities around the school. So as a staff, the parking facility are provided at D10, M50 and M46. So M48 is prepared for the students. There are no evidence proven that the car parks is insufficient for the staff. So a traffic study is carried out to analyze the problem encountered by the staff. The purpose of our traffic study is to determine whether the car parks prepared for the student in School of Civil Engineering is sufficient. Other than that, we also obtain the demand for the parking lots of staff. At last, we compare is it necessary for the car parks to be shared between the staff and the student to achieve the win-win situation.
Based on the research paper with the title Parking Survey Methodology and Case Study, there are a few steps we need to conduct for the survey. After considering all the limitations and requirements for the survey method, we choose to use parking inventory, accumulation counts, turnover survey using license plate method.
Now, I would like to talk about the method we use. We have to set our concern area in School of Civil Engineering, UTM. By walking around School of Civil Engineering, we have set the parking lots beside block M48, M46, M50 and D10 as our concern area. This is because these parking lots are majority used by students, technicians, and lecturers during daily class period. We have made a discussion about the manpower distribution. We divide our team member into 4 groups as we have total of 4 concern areas. We have also collected the data of the illegal parking, like this car. Hey, sorry. Lastly, we have analyzed the data collected and discussed about the study. Then, we make our conclusion of this study in School of Civil Engineering, UTM.
After collecting the data analysis is done for the 4 parking lot in School of Civil Engineering, Faculty of Engineering, University Technology Malaysia. The limitation of the parking lot is illegal parking.
M50 has the highest number of parking stalls, which is 68, while D10 has the lowest number of parking stalls, which is 30.
M48 parking lot achieved the highest occupation rate, which is 100% from the time 12 to 12:30 p.m.
The turnover rate in T10 is the highest, which is 0.22, which means that the driver in T10 parked in T10 parking lot for a short period of time. M50 has the lowest turnover rate, which is 0.17, as M50 parking lot is mainly provided for lecturer.
Based on the data collected, D10 has the highest number of illegal parking, which is 44. Thus, the data collected in D10 is affected due to the high number of illegal parking. In this traffic study, the parking supply for all the 4 parking lots is sufficient except for some specific time interval. However, when classes is conducted simultaneously, the parking supply in N48 becomes insufficient. Therefore, it is predictable that the parking supply in N48 is insufficient in the coming years.
From the result and analysis of data, few recommendations are made to prevent parking problems in School of Civil Engineering. Firstly, it is recommended that to increase the number of parking lots in parking facilities provided in M48 and change the policy of parking facilities in M48. The motor parking lots beside the parking facilities in M48 should be changed to car parking, and also the parking facilities in M48 should be open to everyone, including students and staff. This is because not only students attending classes in M46, 47, and 48 will park at parking facilities in M48, while lecturers tend to park at there as well when they are conducting classes at the classroom buildings. This is affected by the short period of class, which is only 2 hours, and the short walking distance between parking facilities in M48 to the classroom buildings. Secondly, change the policy of parking in M50. The parking facilities in M50 should be open to everyone, including students and staff. In regions such recommendations are made are: firstly, the occupation rate is very low based on the results we obtain. Also, this is to reduce the walking distance for the students from their assigned car park in M48 to classes in D02, D10, and so on. Policy is also believed that it could reduce the number of illegal parking of cars along D02 and also reduce the number of students illegally parked at lecturers' car park at D010 and D02. Lastly, we should also promote the awareness and encourage students to use UTM buses and carpooling, especially those who are living far from School of Civil Engineering, for example in KDSE and KDOJ. This could reduce the number of cars travel and park around School of Civil Engineering and also prevent the problems such as insufficient parking supply by School of Civil Engineering in the near future.